Why does your scanner show the P0055 engine code? What does it mean? P0055 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S Heater Resistance, Bank 1, Sensor 3. This engine code indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, sets this code when it detects resistance in the heater circuit that is outside of the normal operating range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty heated oxygen sensor, HO2S. Damaged or failed oxygen sensor. Wiring or connector problems. Blown fuse or faulty relay. ECM or PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Land Rover and Chevrolet models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.